Good afternoon, teacher. Today I'm gonna do the speaking exam. I'm talk about Mexico versus Peru, and for me, why Mexico is the best country of Latin America. Obviously, for so many topics. The first one, it's we have a um, great gastronomic culture. We have tacos. Everybody loves tacos. So many people around the world come to Mexico just for that, for eat tacos. The another one maybe could be we have so beautiful places to come. We have a lot of beaches, a lot of culture places like pyramids and other things. And the most important topic is in this country, don't eat cuyos. That's in Peru, eat cuyos. That's horrible to imagine. Thanks God, in Mexico we don't do that. And for me, is that the all topics to for what Mexico is best country because I'm living in there. It's obviously, and I love my country. Make Mexico great again.